Hello, and we're back again. We're still in North Wales. And look where we are. Oh, what a stunning location this is. Didn't expect to be here today, to be honest. Trevan, Ogwen Valley in the background. Oh. Brought Martin in. Martin's never been here before. Oh, or when he has, he couldn't see anything. So I thought we'd bring him up here. It's a nice easy hike. It's only 15-20 minutes. And we're going to try and get a few shots from here. But how can you not come to North Wales and drive down the Ogwen Valley and see this? Look how beautiful it is. Okay, we'll crack on. We've come up to the waterfalls and I've come to a cascade which I photographed in the summertime this year, and I did really like the image. And we don't particularly want to walk up too far, it was just really a little scouting mission again. So we've come to this cascade and I'm going to do pretty much the same image as what I did then. And it'd be nice to actually compare them. I'll put the link to the video up here actually. But yeah, it's a pano shot. We've got the lovely cascades. Difference is we've obviously snow covered and we've got some lovely icicles on the grass here, so that's going to be really nice. That'll be a nice little feature, that will. And then we're going to pano it, try and get Trevan in as well, so it'll be quite wide angle. We'll do up high, down low again, and see what images we get. But yeah, I quite look forward to this. It's a really nice cascade how it just falls down, and then there's another smaller one as we point it towards Trevan. It's going to be a pano shot just because really that angle of Trevan is at 90 degrees to the waterfall there, so it doesn't, we need to pano it over. It's very difficult to get. We're basically looking up the hill towards the falls and then back down towards Trevan. So yeah, it's going to be a pano. Okay, let's see what we can get. So I've got my pano. It's probably about a 9-shot pano, I think, by the time I've got from one end to the other. Then I'll obviously crop it in. I've gone further than what, as is the rules of doing a pano. Go further, go wider, so we can crop it in. Got the tripod as level as possible. Ideally, I'd want a leveling head. I just can't cut it. I'm just buggered. But I manage. We do. And if I go that little bit wider, it just gives me a bit more room to crop. It's not a problem. Not a big deal. So Martin's having a crack at it. It's like bringing Martin on a workshop. This is. So one of my favourite little cascade locations in the Ogwen Valley, and showing him all my little tips, which is probably actually the other way around. But so yeah, he's got I think he's using it's 17 to 24 or whatever he's got, which is wider than mine, so he should actually work better with a pano, to be quite honest, which I would say is more ideal. Probably about the 20mm and pano it round. And we're actually getting two cascades. We've got this lovely one on the right hand side of the image, which cascades down, and then we'll just catch another one on that bottom end, hopefully, if I don't have to crop it out. And then we've got the lovely Flynn in the mid-ground with Trevan on the left hand side of the image and Snowdonia there in the background. Looks absolutely stunning in the snow, absolutely stunning. And the snow's quite low down at the moment, so even better. It looks beautiful, and we're starting now to get that lovely evening light. Starting to get the little bits of sort of them pink hues you get. It's beautiful, absolutely stunning. Okay, it's enough chat. We'll just watch Martin how he processes his thoughts and that on this image. What we've tried to do is incorporate this nice cascade here, which is the main part, to be honest. We're getting this cascade on the right hand side falling down, getting this beautiful backdrop, and then as we pan round, we're getting Trevan there, and then this nice little cascade which you can see just here on the bottom part of the image, hopefully. But the main thing is this sort of this area here where you pano from left to right. Oh, I don't know why, I always pano from left to right. At least I know when I'm stitching it together as well. I know what I'm doing. I think he's bracketing the shot as well, which is what I did. But doesn't, just that shot there, look at that. Them reflections in the water there, just got no light in the valley, which is not unusual, especially this time of year. So that's something I noticed. Martin's panoed from right to left. It doesn't matter, but it's just obviously how people are comfortable doing the image. I normally pano from left to right. So that last one, I've ended up doing a double pano because I couldn't get all the waterfall in and the point of Trevan. So I've done a pano coming from left to right and then one coming back through. So hopefully I can stitch the two together and get everything in what I want. Fingers crossed. Had a couple of issues, battery died, probably moved the camera, things like that, so like, oh, but it should be okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to go on to this turn here because that water is going that way, and I'm going to see if I can just get probably a single shot with pretty much what I want in there. I do like the reflections in the water at I'm talking to the people. I'm talking to the people. Can't get the stuff, can you? And now I've forgot what I said. I love the reflections at the Ogwen. I think they're quite nice actually. Wasn't sure at first, but I think actually they're quite nice. Yeah, I'm going to move just down here and have a look at this bit, pointing more to where we want it pointed. And try and just get a little bit of foreground, but more concentrate on this background now. Yeah, so I've come down literally 10 yards to this bend in the road. And
really?
It's pointing more towards the lake rather than Trevan to the left-hand side here. And really it is just sort of a leading line going into the image. It's not much more than that. It's more looking at that beautiful background, that lovely linn, the reflections and the mountain beyond, or mountain range beyond. Yeah, not a bad shot, not a bad shot at all. Me done. A couple of images from this location. As always, super place. Can't struggle to come to North Wales without coming down the Ogwen Valley. Even if it's a drive through, it's beautiful. I've enjoyed this quick little video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.